Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Mallory, and you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You're here, come on, join the family. If you open this video, you know that today we are doing a tutorial with the Tetris Ipsy eyeshadow palette. I got this in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus last month, I want to say, and this is the Black Party version. It has a blue, pretty blue, purple, pink, so that's what we're going to use to create this eyeshadow look. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the sound was very weird on this video, so I'm just going to voice it over, sorry. The color that I'm using is the Lime Clear, which is the pink, and then right after that I'm going to go in with the color High Score to build on that crease. I'm blending the colors together in a patting motion to make sure that I don't lose the pigment. I really want the purple to stand out. So for my eyelid color, I'm going to go in with the lightest pink from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm using a Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas to cut out my crease. So after cutting out my crease, I want to add a really thick cat eye. So I'm using the e.l.f. liquid liner. Eyeliner, I'm gonna work on my face. I am gonna come back to do the under eye so you can see how I kind of completed the eyeshadow look, but the full face is pretty self-explanatory. I do show most of the products that I'm using, so I will just let the rest of the video play until we get back to the eyeshadow. that the full face is on, I'm going to go in with my NYX kohl liner to do my waterline, and then right after that I'm going to go back into the Tetris palette with the color, the pink and the purple. I think it's High Score and what was it? Whatever it was. That's what I'm going to go in under the eye with to complete this look. So for my inner corner eye highlight, I used the color Queen out of the BH Cosmetics Black Light Highlighter Palette. And I really just packed it on there. I wanted it to be extremely teal and very noticeable. After inner corner highlight, lashes, and lipstick, you are pretty much done. That is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You'll see my face in the next video.